Kitty, this is a video of John's new room. My camera has 0 battery. This is the mural we painted and the chocolate brown comforter. I painted these 2 pictures with the paint for the wall so they match. There's his bookcase that I tried to accessorize a la country home. Little side table we painted light blue. Circle rug we got at IKEA. We decorated this room so cheap, Kitty. You'd be so happy. You should do a story on it. This is a little TV table that we painted white. Little hamper. Storage space up there, but it's not clean, but it will be. This is a table we got for free, along with the bookcases I showed you, from a friend of a friend. And that's the artwork. This is the exposed brick wall. So this is the entrance. I'm backing up. I'm backing it up. So you come in here. This is the door. And you enter. And John's room is on the right. And this is the rest of the apartment. No one else has moved in yet. And this is the kitchen, which is like right to your right. And it's so clean because John washed it. And I helped a little. Look at John's cute little tins he has. This is the really cute bathroom with a navy blue thing and brown. We did a blue and brown theme in the bathroom as well. Little candle we bought. Trying to girl it up. Here is the last room, Andrew's room. He has not yet moved in, so all he has is some sneakers in. A bench, but John obviously got the best room. This room has less storage, but more windows. But John decided that these windows have this thing under it, so there's less wall space, and he actually has a lot more room to put things in. So that's his fabulous apartment that I wanted to make a video of for you. Don't you think his room is so cute, Kitty? Anyway, I'm so excited to see you. Hope you love this video. I'm so psyched my battery just came back alive to show it to you.